In garages with space for 2 cars but only enough room for one, frustration arises, particularly in countries like the US and the UK with high car ownership. To address this issue, a company introduced a parking slider. With a DIY kit, it can be set up by you and a friend in a few hours. Capable of holding up to 2720 kilograms, it's powered by a 1/2 horsepower motor. If the standard features don't suit your needs, the creators offer customization options. This solution provides a practical way to optimize garage space and accommodate multiple vehicles with ease. Let's discuss tiles that mimic those seen on home improvement shows, concealing old concrete quickly. The ground version is user-friendly, connecting easily by hand. These tiles are robust, resisting oil, gasoline, acids, alkalis, and solvents. They withstand temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius and boast a compressive strength of about 215 bars, surpassing some concrete types. Ideal for personal garages and commercial spaces, they transform surfaces efficiently. Are you tired cleaning your garage? Then we have a solution: invisible hose that effortlessly connects to existing dust extraction systems or your trusty vacuum cleaner. A sleek 9 to 15 meter hose that takes up minimal space and magically recoils after use. Say goodbye to the tedium of untangling and lugging around cumbersome hoses. But that's not all. This game changer harmonizes seamlessly with an array of nozzles, giving you the power to customize your cleaning experience. Transform your space into a haven of convenience and efficiency as you effortlessly set up a home cleaning system with just a few of these ingenious hoses. Move over mundane 3-in-1 deals. The Powerbuilt team introduces the ultimate marvel at just $240, an absolute game changer. Think of it as a real-life transformer, offering a floor creeper that effortlessly glides under vehicles, saving you from any hassle. No more contorting into yoga poses, the under-dash creeper ensures comfort. The detachable knee pad, made of plush foam, beats asphalt, concrete, or the cold ground any day. With a robust steel frame capable of handling 181 kilograms and ingeniously designed 6 wheels, it's a showstopper in floor creeper mode. Does it look good? Absolutely. Is it worth the price? Undoubtedly. Step into the elite realm of car care with a car wash system that's worth every penny at $1,000. The price tag is justified by a symphony of features that set it apart. Brace yourself for an experience that whispers elegance. This system operates at less than 80 decibels, rivaling the hush of a potent vacuum cleaner. Its brushless induction technology promises a lifespan 4 times longer than competitors, ensuring durability that stands the test of time. With a formidable pressure of 130 bars, a flow rate of 9.5 liters per minute, and a sizzling temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, this masterpiece defies its founder's lack of prior experience, a true testament to the passion of a car enthusiast. UniFUX introduces a versatile tool designed for car workshops, soon to be extended to truck workshops. This tool serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it adeptly unsticks stuck wheels from the hub, and secondly, it accurately detects joint play, providing clarity to customers. UniFUX is compatible with wheel sizes ranging from 550 to 800 millimeters, ensuring broad applicability. The tool is easy to install, taking only seconds, and its long handle not only saves time and effort, but also protects your rims. In essence, UniFUX is a time-efficient and user-friendly solution for workshops, addressing both wheel unsticking and joint play identification with ease. Harry Potter mastered various spells, including Lumos, which conjures light at the wand's tip. While handy for magical transportation estimators, in the non-magical world, it serves as a versatile lighting tool. Useful for swiftly detecting dents and flaws, it outshines Lumos by allowing color temperature adjustment for inspecting cars of any hue. The system, akin to a technological magic wand, boasts a 10 to 12 hour battery life and weighs less than 2 kilograms. It's a tech marvel, transcending wizardry into practical applications. Introducing a practical solution to brighten your workspace, the Diode Work Light. With 36 efficient LED bulbs, this light performs magic-free wonders, running for 6 hours on just one charge. Its robust foreign polycarbonate housing can handle shocks, featuring swivel mounts with built-in magnets. Attach it to a special frame for versatility, whether working under a car or enjoying a fishing trip. Priced at $105, this handy tool combines durability, portability, and illumination for your various needs. Need a car lift for vehicles up to 3 tons? The screen option is perfect. It's easy for a single person to handle. Plus, its smart design allows car doors to open at any height. Safety is a priority with both hydraulic and mechanical components in the system. Lift your car up to 1.8 meters in just 40 seconds, thanks to its efficient operation. The clever rack design ensures safety when lifting various vehicles, from vans and vintage cars to compact models like the Volkswagen Beetle. It's a versatile solution for your lifting needs. Hold on to your garage hats because the MyLifter team is about to rock your storage world. We're not talking just smart, we're talking genius, your garage's newfound superhero. With the strength to handle up to 45 kilograms, it's a total game changer for bikes, lawnmowers, and all the treasures in your garage. Imagine it as the rock star of garage storage, an epic Lego set where platforms jam together, complete with special kits for bike enthusiasts, hoisting not 1, not 2, but 3 bikes at once. And guess what? It's not afraid of a car with a removable hardtop. It scoffs at 200 kilograms like it's a light snack. A few years ago, the US had about 278 million cars, totaling over 1 billion wheels requiring maintenance, replacement, and storage. The creators of a new lift introduced their version 2.0 at an opportune time. This lift can pick up and elevate wheels up to 5.3 meters high, needing just 1.4 meters of space between racks for easy maneuvering. It can manage up to 180 kilograms of weight and operates for either 3 or 10 hours based on the battery. As an added bonus, it includes a rear-view camera as a standard feature.